In this video, we will address some common misconceptions about search volume. Most people trying to build affiliate sites have serious misconceptions about search volume that prevent their sites from becoming very profitable without having to use black hat methods. First, let's take a look at this keyword in Keyword Revealer: best king size bed frame. This phrase gets 210 searches a month. You would want to note that the number Keyword Revealer reports is the estimated total across the three major search engines and not just Google alone. If you want to see only Google searches, you will want to use Google AdWords Keyword Planner, which says the keyword gets searched 140 times a month. Many beginners do not target any phrase that gets less than 800 to 1000 searches a month. This can be a serious mistake for several reasons. To start with, everyone and their brother is targeting phrases that get more than 800 searches a month. So, competition is bound to be high. But the bigger problem is this: unless Google trusts your site to a certain degree, you will not be able to rank for keywords that get a lot of searches a month. So, what do some affiliates do since Google won't rank such pages in the top 10? They resort to black hat methods. They build a site with just about 15 to 20 pages and target phrases that get 800 searches a month on each page. And then they start building lots of backlinks from blog networks and other sources to the pages. In short, they try to muzzle their way into the top positions using brute force methods. These are dangerous methods. Google is an extremely smart company that has thousands of brilliant PhDs. Their algorithms can now detect these kind of sites and they penalize them. It's getting harder and harder to play such games with Google. You do not want to be doing that. Here's a much easier method. Initially, target lots of very easy to rank phrases and provide high quality content on your site. Do not use any black hat methods and private blog networks. In a while, Google will start trusting your site and your site will start ranking for several low volume buyer keywords and you will start making money. Google wants relevant, high quality content. Give them that and they will reward you with buyer traffic, and buyer traffic will lead to sales and commissions. Then, once your site has at least 35 to 50 pages, all mostly focused on buyer keywords, you can start targeting medium difficulty phrases. Also, when your site has about 50 pages, all of them focused on easy buyer phrases, and is about a year old, you should be making at least $500 to $1,000 a month from your site. At this time, if you start targeting medium competition phrases that get around 800 to 1000 or more searches a month, you will rank much easier for those phrases and you end up making more money without putting your site at risk. What kind of money can you expect to make from a phrase like best king size bed frame that gets 210 searches a month across Google, Yahoo and Bing? You should be making at least $20 to $100 a month, and that's being conservative. Take a look at what these are selling for on Amazon. Anywhere from around $50 to more than $200. And you would also want to remember that the main goal of your affiliate site is to send people to Amazon through your affiliate link. Once they get there, they can buy other products that are much more expensive than this, and this is what frequently happens as most Amazon affiliates will tell you. Have at least 50 such pages on your site, and you will be making at least $1,000 a month in about a year's time. You would also want to note that your site will start ranking only after it has a certain amount of content and has aged for a few months. You cannot expect a 10-page, 2-month-old site to make $200 to $500 a month. It doesn't work that way. Unless you use black hat methods, your site will take time to rank. You should give each page at least 4 months to start ranking well. Your site needs to be at least 35 to 50 pages in size and about a year old before you will start seeing a significant amount of traffic and revenues. But once it has passed that stage, you will be able to rank for more competitive keywords a lot easier without having to resort to dangerous link building methods. The takeaway from this video is this. Initially, you will want to target easy phrases that get between 80 to 500 searches a month, and aim to have at least 50 such pages on your site within a few months. Each page needs to be built with excellent on-page SEO, as we will see later. In a year's time, your site will be making around $500 to $1,000 a month. At that time, you can target more competitive keywords with higher search volumes.